We'll be discussing about Brevo for workflows. On the platform, down below in the navigation bar, you can find for App Marketplace here. And here you have to search for Brevo for workflows. Here it is. You have to install it first. It's up to you. You want to install it on any of your sub account or multiple sub accounts at the same time. I'm choosing this one and continue with that. Allow and install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now we'll be moving back towards the agency level. It is loading at the moment. The next step will be moving forward towards the specific sub account on which we have installed Breville for workflows. Here it is successfully installed. Here we are on the sub account on which we have installed Breville for workflows. The next step will be doing the configuration. Down below in the navigation bar, you can find for app configuration, and here you have to search for Breville. You have to get it configured. To do that, so you have to your own account on Breville, and in the settings you can find for the API keys and generate your API token from there. Let me show you how to do that. Here we are in our Breville account. You have to set up your Breville account first, and after that you can find for the SMTP and API section, and from there you can find for the API keys, and then you can search for generate a new API key. Here you can create your own API key, copy paste that on the platform, submit with that. As you can see, it is successfully configured now. Now we'll be moving forward towards the automations to create a workflow and create an action to check on it is successfully working or not. Create a workflow and start from scratch. In the workflow builder, let's just create a new action. Find for Brevo. It is Brevo for workflows. These are the actions provided by Brevo for workflows. You can integrate these to automate your system. Create a new contact. Enter any email to set an example for the moment. Save this action. Create some notes with that. Find for custom values, and down there it is Breville for workflows. We have entered the email. Let's just save this action. And now we will be moving forward towards testing our workflows. You can choose any contact at the moment and just head towards the execution logs. As you can see, it is successfully executed with the notes. It's simpler and easier. I hope you like it. Thank you so much.